Good morning, everyone. Here, one more day 7 of my challenge, and I'm having my shot, which is guarana, cloves, a little bit of lemon, propolis, and a little bit of water. Let's see if that one is a good one or not. Good. Strong, but good. My morning tea today is ginger, so 10 grams of shredded ginger and 10 pieces of cloves. Can you see me? Can you see me? Can you see me? Hello everyone! Welcome back to day 7 of our weight loss challenge. And today I have something different for you. You might be thinking, what the hell is that? That's my grocery haul. Yeah, today, Saturday, I've been to the supermarket. Yes, why? Here in Austria, all supermarkets only work until Saturday. Yes, that's something that really hit me at the beginning because I was very used to go to the supermarket any day of the week, even bank holidays. But now here in Austria, supermarkets, they don't open on Sundays and bank holidays, and they are only open until 8 p.m. weekdays and 6 p.m. on Saturdays. So today I went to the supermarket and purchased all the groceries we need for the whole week. So this is the groceries for 2 persons, okay, myself and my boyfriend. And as you can see, guys, we are very healthy, I would say. We have some fruit, some vegetables, some lemons, some meat, some fish as well, some beef. And so what I want to talk to you guys about today is really about how this next week will be like. So the first week, which is finishing today, was very much, as I mentioned in my other videos, was very much a cleansing week. So I was purely eating God-given food, I can call it that way, cooking every day basically, and I was eating as I was hungry. So if I wasn't hungry, I wouldn't eat. But now, going through the next 3 weeks, from tomorrow on, I'm gonna enter into the adaptation phase into this whole project, okay? So yeah, here I can eat a few more other things. For example, I don't drink normal milk, but if I was to, I could start having it now during this from now on, but I wouldn't drink this type of milk in this prior week that has just gone. I couldn't also, or I wasn't eating any type of cheese, but now in this during those next 3 weeks, if I want to, I can eat some cheese. But apart from that, I really want to talk to you about what I purchased, okay? So let's start with the eggs. Eggs, very good for breakfast and dinner, lunch, whatever feels you best. As long as you cook, you fry, you boil, whatever you want to do, you're hungry, quick meal, no problem, no worries at all. Then what we have, something we have every day, chicken. Yes, part of our protein diet. So I have some chicken and I have some 2 salmon steaks, and they're good because they're 50% discount. And here I also have a steak. I'm not eating red meat throughout those 6 weeks program, but I am eating chicken and fish. Also pork, I'm not eating during those 6 weeks. Okay, and most of the time I'm gonna be eating some sort of carbohydrate, and I always use a combination of 3, 2 or at least 2 to 3 vegetables. So here at home we already have potatoes, sweet potatoes and normal potatoes, so I didn't purchase them. But I did buy pumpkin. I love pumpkin in the oven. It's really, really good. We have some zucchini here as well. And butternut squash, aubergine. Yes, so it is what is going to be accompanying my protein throughout this week. And of course we have papaya. Funny fact, until July, August, we were not paying less than €9 for a papaya here in Vienna. And today we went to the supermarket and it cost us €2.99. So yeah, we were very happy about it because papaya is something very, very expensive here in Austria. And from this week on, we'll also be able to go back eating salad. So I wasn't eating salad in the last week because it is cold food. And for us to really heal our gut and get better, it's best if we avoid eating raw, cold meals. So throughout the last week I wasn't eating salad, but from now on I will be able to eat salad. So I got some tomatoes, lettuce I didn't get because I do have them already in my fridge, and cucumber as well. And as you always see, guys, on my morning shot, I'm always having my shot with some lemon. So yes, I did get lemon and lime as well. I'm gonna make a drink, so a virgin mojito. So I got my sparkling water as well and a lot of mint. We are gonna replant them and hopefully have them throughout the remaining of the year 2022. And we also got some fruit apart from the papaya. So we do have pineapple, which is really good. The pineapple here in Austria is really, really good. Some blueberries as well, and some peaches. I thought they were apple, but they're peaches. Okay, good to listen. And that's basically everything that we purchased. We also purchased some kitchen roll because I didn't have any at home, so they are already somewhere else. And we do have for this week a lot of ginger because this is also gonna be used on my virgin mojito. Yeah, and now you may wonder, how much did it cost? It doesn't look like much, but today we ended up spending around €120 in the supermarket for the two of us for the week. Yes, everything we purchased. And of course, throughout the week, you're gonna see what I'm gonna be eating on a day-to-day basis. I'm gonna pack everything, put in my fridge, and get ready for dinner, because today for dinner, I already had it here. We are having something we both love, king prawns. Yeah, so I'm gonna make some king prawns with mashed potato, carrots and broccoli, and this will be the last meal of my attack phase. And from tomorrow on, I'm gonna be moving onto the adaptation phase, which will last for 3 weeks. And my daily meal costs €14.13. So for breakfast, I had, as you saw, yogurt with whey protein, some shredded chicken and papaya. It cost me around €4.33. And then for lunch, I didn't have it because I wasn't hungry. Then I had my afternoon snack, which cost me €2.71. And then for dinner, which is the prawns and everything else that I just told you about, will cost me €5.82. course, I'm gonna have my beloved Fit ice cream, which will cost me €1.30. And that's basically everything, guys. Comment down below, do you think our groceries for this week was expensive or not? I really want to know, how much do you spend on a weekly basis on your grocery haul, okay? That's it for today, guys. Thank you very much and bye-bye. It's hot.